For the past couple of months I was messing around with my chest strap, and in this video I will share with you some tips and things that I have noticed. I use standard settings, basically the settings that I would use during the day. The only difference is I set wide field of view for my chest strap. With linear the shot looks too narrow, and with super wide you get a lens distortion. And the thing is, the GoPro was designed for these type of shots. Personally I think wide field of view looks best. Be careful with the mount, it's really easy to break it. I already broke one of these. So when you mount your GoPro you want the legs to go precisely into the groove. Now I mount my GoPro upside down and I try to create a 45-degree angle. The reason is when you lean forward on your bike it will straighten out. Also you want to tighten it up as much as possible. You will want to position your chest strap a bit higher on your chest. The higher the better. And also you want to tighten up all the straps to reduce the shake, because there's gonna be a lot of shake. Although GoPro has good built-in stabilization, it does help to have the strap really tight against your chest. Position on the bike is really important. I try to sit a little bit closer to the front and straight. According to your position on the bike, you might want to adjust the angle. People will stare at you when you wear a chest strap, but don't worry, you'll be too busy catching some awesome footage. But don't shoot too much footage. In the end and post, you're not gonna use that much. And if you take a long ride, the file is gonna be large and take up a lot of space. Personally, I try to scout the road ahead and just make mental notes what could possibly look good on camera. Also, if you're only going to use the footage from the chest strap, your video is gonna end up looking boring. So try to mix it up and get some different angles, maybe just using a tripod or just trying a different mount. First couple of times shooting with the chest mount, I was advised to play around with it and work out the best position on your chest. It's not that difficult and you'll get it pretty fast. Alright, it looks like it's going to start to rain soon. I better get home. Let's see what kind of footage I can catch.